Here's one for Winona. Right there. Here we go.
Has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Winona County in southeastern Minnesota until 5:45 p.m. At 4:59 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Altura, or 17 miles west of Winona, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include half-dollar size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following
here's an AM, or FM.
Around 5 weather service in La Crosse has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Stockton around 5:25 p.m. Winona, Greenview, and Fountain City around 5:30 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Whitewater State Park, Interstate 90, exit 252, Elba, Wilson, Minnesota City, Utica, and Pickwick. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. for the following county: Winona, Minnesota. You're listening to Fountain City around 5:30 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Whitewater State Park, Interstate 90, exit 252, Elba, Wilson, Utica, and Pickwick. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. for the following county: Winona, Minnesota.
What did you say?